tong Lady Keane College. Nia collaborate kat medical care unit tong college ni. Banyak pelong mentakasi as part of the celebration of International Women's Day. Mentakas ni South Tarik in April, ni pelong kani ka medical health camp, especially on the topic menstrual health and hygiene. Namar babu na himdon the knowledge of on this topic, and therefore we thought it is apt to have this program today. They have a small brief talk argot ki resource persons nia don ki medical doctors napo ni grims but iwe counselor ki kren shaphang menstrual health and hygiene and sanitation kumno ban dispose ki sanitary pads te ki la Iaiong ki la educate ki khna jongi, and I hope our students will put into practice. Kidang long embarrassed kidang lehrain ban kren even to discuss among themselves ro kidang don ka jingsngew lehrain. Firstly, secondly, bakin use some of our students ki wan dan nong kendong kimpat pyndonkam kani ka sanitary pads ro. Te takadaw gi kwa manda kasi ban bangin I distribute free iki khnang bakin nang ban pyndonkam iki. And from what I have heard na medical officer jungi doctor college jungi ishay ong yang ba bun sin ki khna jungi ki wan shay with menstrual cramps ang set gila one they have menstrual cramps, so ki mare shay ban pandawai. And then there are many students also with long anemic kimtip ka bam ka di kumno bantay nga nakamet, especially in this case. So kadi kita ba so through this program ni kwa ban educate the students to okay namar bon kimpat ya tip ha mesti say kila tip bagi arts students in the your ha kani ka knowledge of human physiology, human body. Kemudian lada ni Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister Jungi Ong. There's a famous saying by him that if you want to know the progress of a nation, you should look at the condition of women. Te halor kane ladangi pe iki kynthei jungi kari jungi kidang they're still lagging behind kan ya kata, although pinpet nakariam ka bet te kilalong modernized, but the mindset is still lagging behind kidang ya don ka jing lehrain. They are not exposed. There's some restraint. Bakimla ban speak out, bakimla ban discuss openly, bakimla ban le. So they need to be pushed. They need to be educated. So I think like there's a famous saying, charity begins at home. They takaraw ni le kata nang ni na ka college ni kan. Kanang bakinlong educated, kinlong empowered, so they can face the world. And they will be living examples ikiwe ro kan.